Pentecostal Network Pennet Program Clear Tute, Lalpai Swamingin Zibai Ule, Dunkar Chunga Northeast India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar clearin lawngai thlang u. January ni somni pathian ni hi Northeast India UPC Kohhran ni poimo Sunday School Day ani. Sunday School Day hi kumtin January pathian ni voithumna manchin ani a. Heni hi Sunday School kal chale exam na ati chalo man semna ni atante. Sunday School masonna lamhoi injir tirnante ahlutna le apoimo zia injir tirna infui tharna hunatan manchin ani. Kumin hian thupuyatan pathiani chomha a nunthiang hlimna ti le zanlama tharau thiang hlim baptism hlutna ti man ani a rongbol tu apyang ten helam hoi hian thucha an soidon ani. General Sunday School Director Reverend R. Lai Singpuya chuan Northeast India Huamchunga Sunday School Day mangtu zongzongte Sunday School Day chibai bukin Sunday School Day thupui kaltanga pathian mal somna le shiak thina thar dong chau turin Sunday School zirtir tu le zirlai zongzongte du sakna ahlan ani. General Sunday School Director Reverend R. Lai Singpuya chuan Sunday School Day hi Southeast Nagaland Ahman Puidona Secretary Reverend R. Vanal Oya chuan North Mizoram District Headquarters tui khu atlanga mangin pathian ni zinga thusoi rawngbawlna aneidona Treasurer Evangelist F. Lal Sangliana chuan Malpui Kohhran mangin pathian ni zana thusoi rawngbawlna aneyang. General Shwai to the program General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai Laule Reverend R. Lai Singpuya te chuan Southeast Nagaland District Conference January ni somparia ta tangani somni chunga shatuza ane manpuin rawngbawlna annei. General Missions Director Reverend R. Lal Hoya chuan Chandel District Conference chakpikarong ane manpuin rawngbawlna annei. General PYD Shwai Tute General PYD President Pastor H. Lalraupuya General Secretary Pastor C. Lalmal Somale General Treasurer Evangelist J.H. Malsom Dongliana Techuan Churachampur District PYD Conference Morea Manmeka Telpuin rawngbawlna annei. District Shangshang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thlak chunzomila. January ni somni pathian ni January 3rd Sunday hi Pentecostal Children Department PCD Lunglei District in Registration Day atana arwahman ani angin PCD din na local shangshangten hingzia ani atan an mangdon. Lunglei District PCD a hian member sangli chuang anom meka PCD din na hi local somriat pali a ani. January ni somni panga atangani somni pasari chung hian Lunglei District chunga bial pathum Ten Lum chongtele tlabung bial ten bial conference an mangdon. Ten Lumbial te hian lungchem lokala conference hi annei dona District Secretary Reverend C. Vanal na chuan ahman puyang chongte bialte po in conference hi chongte lokala anneyanga District Superintendent Reverend R. Lal Rosanga chuan ahman puidona tlabung lokala tlabung bialte po in conference hi an manganga District Treasurer Reverend C. Larin tuanga chuan ahman puyang. Tim February ni khat atangani thum chung hian sa vanlai phai bial ra siveng bial le pupui bial te pu in bial conference an manganga Reverend R. Lal Rosanga District Superintendent chuan South Vanlai Phai Bial Conference South Vanlai Phai Muna nei tur hi aman puyanga District Treasurer Reverend C. Larin tuanga chuan van ne muna nei tur ra siveng bial conference man puin District Secretary Reverend C. Vanal na pu in pupui bial conference zotlang lokala nei tur aman puyang. January ni sompanga atangani sompasari chungkhan Lunglei District Kohhran Pui CEC School Offset Press Department le Subcommittee Pension Shangte Sangni Sompariat Kumtop Sum Audit na District Office nei ani a Evangelist F. Lal Mangaya Evangelist Laldin Puyat Sailaw UPC Lal Mangaya Reverend C. Vanal na Reverend Ral Kap Kunga Khyang Tele Unaw Palalom Omaten Audit na hi anthok ani. January ni sompanga thole ni khan Lunglei District Missions Emergency Board to District UPC Conference Hall Director Reverend R. Vanal nga kaishwaina in nei ani a heta hian vai sam missions field om turin Evangelist Lalshiat Moya Bolpui H to Home Missionary atan an lathar ani. January ni somni pathiani hian South Vanlai Phai Bek in sakthar chu Lunglei District Superintendent Reverend R. Lal Rosanga hongdon. South Vanlai Phai Biak in hi adung fit somli awang fit somni pakhat ani a biak in sakna atan hian tha zariat chuang sen ani biak in sakna atan hian cheng nuai li chuang man ani biak in saknan hian theiriat bial mission department ten wa camp an neya sum fire tanpuina lunglei district kaushan pui shangchal kon college veng pukpui bial led le mimal atangin andong nuala kaushan haute an lom hle biak in hon program zo a hiam bial tu pastor kal chuak tur thana program an nei hal don ani January ni som pathum pathian ni khan lunglei district bung mun bial chunga bial treasurer shangshangte account vondan injir tirna bial tu pastor LH Lalsan damaka ishwaina in nei ani a local shangshanga statistician tepo an natur in shilshat na hun man ani bok kumin sang ni som pakwa hi zo bok Kohhran golden jubilee ani a January ni som hi pathian ni hiam biak in twala golden jubilee honna opening ceremony man ani dona jubilee balloon chhuana nei ani ang zo bok Kohhran hian golden jubilee lomna hi kum toblama ropui taka man antum ani January ni som hi le ni som ni pasari pathian ni hian lunglei district missions conference rorel bo zuin bung mun bial chunga local shangshanga bial tu pastor LH Lalsan damale bial shwai tu te chuan faith promise nein hun an mangdon January ni som pathum pathiani zan khan lunglei district theiriat local Kohhran danga chingin member thar pakhat district mission director Reverend R Vanal enga chuan baptisma chantirin Kohhran asenglut January ni som pathum pathiani ve khan vai samho missionary evangelist lel engza wa chuan member thar pathum Kohhran asenglut bok lunglei district chunga Kohhran hoten Christmas e kum thar man nakal zela tua chung Kohhran changchang ten pathian hne na lom thu choi choi moina roi ne na laman chunjom an om nuala chat thechina January ni som pani inrin ni khan sethlun Zion local venglun Troy pui not tu le venglun local te chuan lom thu choi choi moina hi anla nei chunjoma Troy pui not tu local te chuan January ni som pali tho tan ni khan he choi moina hi an nei chunjom le bok North Mizoram District Building Committee to January ni som paruk ni lai ni khan District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga Kaishwain nei ani a committee member po ankal chale meeting a hian bia shangshanga tanga biak in saktan pui dil te chungchang ba ka pastor quarters thar sak chungchang te an soi ho North Mizoram District chunga bia pastor bia somthum te chuan kar thar January ni somni panga atanga ni somni pasari manghian Arwalin Bial PYD conference and Mangdon Bial conference in North Mizoram District shwai tu pathum te chuan hetiang hian man pui dan tur an ruahman President Evangelist F Lalngai Oman Tenzol Bial PYD man puin Tenzol Bial te hian Tenzol headquarters lokala Bial PYD conference and mangang Secretary Unaupa Kela Rautuangan Reek Bial PYD man puin Reek Bial PYD te hian Reek Kohhran biak ina conference and mangang Treasurer Evangelist Vanal Peka Fanai Chuan Lengpui Bial PYD conference man puin Lengpui Bial te hian ropui chief Kohhran biak ina conference hi an mangdon ani North Mizoram District Encol PG Higher Secondary School Managing Board to Thornton Nikalta January ni Sompali Khan District Superintendent Chambera Acting Chairman Reverend Thiarpuya Kaishwain nei ani a kumsang ni Sompako chunga school mamole palaga tur budget estimate an soi ho Mamit bial luang pol Kohhran biak in sakthar chu January ni sompan hi inrin ni Khan North Mizoram District Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusangan pathian hne na hlanin ahong biak in hon program hi inrin ni jing dar som bakhata tanin Reverend Kelal Dusangan biak in hon program kaishwain luang pol Kohhran ten thei top chu alal pa mai chambwa saina tur biak in thatak an nei chu lalpa mal somna ani ati a luang pol biak in thar chu lalpa ro puina tur le tharau bo tam takten damna an hmu theina turin ahong biak in hon hnuwa biak in chunga lutin biak in chung in khom program mamit bial tu pastor Reverend K Vanal Dikana Kaishwaya Reverend Kelal Dusangan pathian thu cha soin rawngbawlna ane biak in hong tu Reverend Kelal Dusanga North Mizoram District Treasurer hi unau palal chanpui le unau nu ladin pariten aizola tanga toy omin lungle tungin evangelist sila nuntuangan ahman puibok biak in hon program hian January ni som pathum pathiani zan thleng o in hunlim om tak an mang ani Mamit bial luang pol kaushana hian member som nga pani omekin evangelist RS lanun moya chuan he hmuna hian rawngbawlna nei masaberin tuna hian evangelist larin dika kan hun chuan kaushan ho enkol na athok mek ani. January ni som pathum pathian ni khan North Mizoram district khwam chung aizo chonpui venga Pentecostal kaushan thar ading chonpui kaushan din ani ma hian hun engemu chen zo chonpui zo tlang ti hming choin Zautlanga Pentecostal member tenen upa H lalrua ta ina anin khom thina chumi nuwa district malagna a biak in thar tenein hunrei tak chung anin khom hawa hetianga chunpui kaushan tenena biak in khata an loi ho nu hian pathiani kalta January ni som pathum khan chunpui kaushan hote chu indangin chunpui kaushan bulchanna lungphum chu district secretary Reverend Charpuya chuan aphum ta ani. Reverend Charpuya hian chunpui kaushan indang thar te chu pathian hena a hlan bok. Kaushan ding thar te hi bel to pastor Reverend Silal tan chu achuan try to the rat ngalin chairman a upa arkap thanga secretary a evangelist Arlian Dolele treasurer tan upa sang zelate arwat ani. Chunpui kaushan te hi twal upa ke Silal remrat te ina anin khom ri a tuna hand district malagna inbiak in huntur te leisakin kaushan haute po an hlim hle a tuna hian kaushan member za pasari anom mek ani. North Mizoram District Missions Conference in Rohman na Asiam angin tlang sang bial chunga zawman tlang kaushan chu January ni somni pathian ni hian district secretary Reverend Charpuyan missions field atan ahongdona field hon in khom hi district missions director Reverend Sila Thantluangan hovin in khom ka ishwai na athok don ani. North Mizoram District din thar local missions department te chuan kumsang ni sompariata rohman na anlo siam lok to angin lengpui bial chunga North Mizoram District in missions field tana an enkol mek dilzol huna missionary quarters sa in work camp an nei work camp nei tur hian member somparuk te chuan January ni sompali thotan ni khan aizol an chwa sana rohman dan chuan January ni sompariat in rin ni hian an le tang quarters hi adung fit som ni pali le awang fit som pani a sak ani a quarters sakna bungrwa le thil tul dang hi district lamin an ngai to sak ani. Dilzol missions field a hian missionary evangelist lanun zira chu rawngbawlna ommek ani. Din thar local missions department te hian kumsang hi somparia chung khan an phak ang tokin ramthim tan luan chwana an neya kumsang hi sompakwa apo hian mason na tamjok nei turin rohman na an siam mek ani. North Mizoram District Shwai to the program. District Superintendent Reverend Laltuang Achuan, January ni sompani le sompathum mga Andaman Missions Field, Port Blair Rabiak in hon program mga azin chuak chu, January ni sompanga thole ni khan aizol athenga, January ni somni pathian ni hian mamit bial phaizaw biak in hon na nei le in, pathian choi moina a rawngbawlna anei bokang. District Secretary Reverend Charpuya chuan January ni sompani in rinizang khan, District Missions Tirin zau nom kaushana missions rawngbawlna nein atuk January ni som pathum pathian ni a chonpui kaushan thar ding chu a honna lung phum na anei bok. District Secretary Reverend Charpuya hian January ni som ni pathian ni hian tlang sang bial chunga omzo man tlang kaushan chu missions field atan a hongang. District Treasurer Reverend Kelal du sang chuan January ni som pani inrin ni khan mamit bial luang pol kaushan biak in sakthar honna nei turin a fe chhuaka pathiani zan thleng hun amang. District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thantluang chu January ni som pani le som pathum mga Andaman Missions Field Port Blair Rabiak in hon program mga azin chhuak chu January ni som panga aizol led le in January ni som he pathian ni hian tlang sang bial chunga zoman tlang missions field honna a District Missions Director ani angin a hawang. North Mizoram District Missions Treasurer le General PYD Secretary ni bok Evangelist JH Malsom dongle na chu General PYD program a Imphal District PYD Conference morem huna nei tura thushil na hunpek ani angin January ni som pasari atanga ni som hi ninga ni atanga pathian ni mangin morea zinin January ni som paruk ni laine a aizol achwa san. January ni som pakhat atanga ni som pathum chung kham barak district half long biak ina half long bial khompui hlotling takin man ani. Bial in khompui a hand speaker a Upper Assam Missions Field Director Reverend Lalsiam Lian Zote Anraya District Superintendent Iowa khompui manpui tu Reverend Lal Than Moyan pathian zana pathian thucha asoibok. he khompuya hian bial chunga missionary lak tur chungchang relin deal du chuan February ni som hni pasari ralma in contact number 9435177736 le bial to Pastor Reverend Johnson Mol hoi kuta deal na thelu tur ani deal to hi license nei ani tur ani a omna caution recommend le pastor recommend deal na athil telbok tur ani Jiribam Section Conference Golden Jubilee to Phaitul Tamlenglong District Manipura man ani Jiribam Section Conference Golden Jubilee Kam Section LAD Conference to January ni som pakhata tangani som pathung chung khan Phaitul Kaushana man ani Golden Jubilee Conference a hian General Secretary Reverend R. Lerin Sanga Barak District Superintendent Reverend H. Laramlin le Calvary Bible College Principal Reverend Lalpek Lin Sung Tete Speaker Atan Anroya January ni som pani inrin ni khan Golden Jubilee honna program mangin Reverend R. Lerin Sangan Jubilee lungphun honna aneya Jubilee souvenir tlangzer na Reverend Lalpek Lin Sung Te in anei thung Ruat big mi somni pangaten Jubilee dar anvabok Jubilee a hian Jiribam halo bial to tu pastor zongzong te ngai shuina thuziak an hlan vek ani January ni somni panga atanga ni somni pasari chung hian Aizol East District chunga bial shangshang te chuan bial PYD inkompui an mangdon bial inkompui a hian inkompui tanzana variety program an manganga bial chen kha chuan revival inkomin hun an mangthung don ani January ni somni paruk inrinia rovel inkom an neyang bial PYD kompui hi district PYD shwai tu te chuan heteng hian an man puyang President Reverend Arlelton Kimachuan Zemabok Biala Speaker at Tangin Aman Puyanga Evangelist Silal Chuanga Vice President Chuan Trumpui Bial Man Puyin Evangelist F. Malsom Tuanga Secretary Chuan Zemabok Biala Mangin Assistant Secretary Evangelist Silal Ramrotan Mol Pui Bial Unaupa R. Vanelpeka Treasurer in Bazar Bial Financial Secretary Unaupa Kelal Biangnungan Bongkon Bial and Man Puidon Ani Aizol East District Board Budget Session 2 January ni somni pathumatanga ni somni palu chung hian nei ani don Hehuni District Committee Room nei tur ni in kumsang ni sompakwa District Kaushampui Budget Baka District Department changchang budget siamte approve tura chopchwa ani ang Aizol East District PYD inkompui voi somni pathumna kumsang ni sompar sari a kholian huna nei na laurel tole District Board in Abo zui angin January ni somni pakhat tho tanzan hian Aizol East District chunga twal chung PYD te chuan inkom kimzan le member tharlom luna an nei don he huna hian district PYD chuan rohman na siam shan lovin twal chung PYD te kuta ada ani inkom kimzan le member tharlom luna hi kumsang ni sompariat khan hotling takin man aloni to ani Serchi biak in pui PYD te chuan an kumsom ngatlin Golden Jubilee chu January ni ruk pathian ni zana tanga January ni sompali tho tanzan thlengkhan hlim takin an mang January ni ruk pathian ni zan khan Jubilee honna hun mangin senior upa ke biak enga Vice President Masabarin Jubilee honna aneya unau pa zaukunga Treasurer Financial Secretary Masabarin thuchan soina nein upa cho biak sangan souvenir atlangzar Inkom bana biak inkota Jubilee maiden na le Jubilee sharing na atan sky lantern chwa na an nei bok January ni sari thotan ni khan Jubilee pol hian le second fielda sports item ti shangshang mangin inti hlim na an nei to a thole zan khan vul zan mangin item ti shangshang mangin PYD te hian inti hlim na nei chunzomin nilai zan khan biak ina praise and worship a hun man chunzom ani a tol upala ram ha ka kol ni le Unau nu ti vanal ruati ten thu soi rawngbawlna an nei January ni somninga ni khan serchip damdoi inaman turin Jubilee Paul hian thisen an pe a Evangelist Lelthan ki maral te serchip bial Kaushampui Secretary chuan hunser amanga thisen hi unit somni mi pa pakwale meichia som pakhat ten an pe thei ani January ni som pakhat zir tomni khan serchip khopui chunga lirthei mangin reli nei ani baka zan lama shang hui nai mangin item chi shang mangin inti hlimna an nei chunjama September ni som paruk sangni som pariat khan Jubilee Pwala project an nei to eido kan somnga to church board committee hna an hlan bok ani Jubilee lomna revival inkom hi January ni som pani inri ni zana tang khan mangin heta hian biak in pui PYD shwaina na lo thok to te hnen ne na tengin thu soi toi ngai thak ani jubilee lom na pui ber hi January ni som pathum pathiani ni leng khan man ani a chomhadar kwale minute somli panga jubilee lungphun honna bel to pastor bilal engza wachon nein ruat big ten jubilee dar anwa a back in chunga revival income nei chunjamin reverend rosang colony district superintendent le back in PYD president lawni to hne na tingin thu changai thlakani baka unaupa arlal fak oma secretary back in PYD hne na tingin PYD chanchin tlangpui report ngai thlak ani bok Pathiani chunua evangelist sila lunsangan hena tengin thu soi ngai thak le ni in Pathiani zana bel to pastor bilal engzawan thu cha soina anei bok January ni sompali thotan ni khan jubilee lom na chunjum le ni in heta hian shwai tu hlui choi moina an nei baka twal upasi mal somsang le upasi vanal awate hena tengin thu cha ngai thak ani a tlaya jubilee lom na roi hlim taka kil hawin zana revival income nei chunjum le ani Serchi back in PYD ten Golden Jubilee an lomna hian he kaushana lo loi to le PYD shwai na lo thok to te baka bial chung le pona kaushan te somin hlim takin hun an mang ani Serchi back in pui hi kumsang khazakwa somruk pakwa January ni som pathum khan din ani a member som level omin kaushan ti chaktura ding an ni ti insha in manasa takin an langala membership fee mi pakhata siki khon ngalani shwai tu masate President Unaupa Lelmwaka, Vice President Unaupa Biak Ngenga, Secretary Unaupa Lelthan Moya, Assistant Secretary Unaupa Sivala, Treasurer and Financial Secretary Unaupa Zaukung ate anni. Biak in pui PYD ti hian thalai chanchin bu Pentecostal Times tu kumsang zakwa somriat pariat atanga vo in thleng hian lati chuak zelin General PYD baka District PYD atangin chanchin butha lomante po anlo dong to ani in charna nu nung ber record a chuan serchi back in puya hian PYD member za somriat panga anom mek ani Aizol East District PYD 10 kumin February ni sompali atanga sompasari chunga champhai Bethel Belten Bethel Filter District PYD in Khompui voice somni pangana silver jubilee an thlen turatan in bwa saina chaktaka kalpui mek zel ani he in Khompuya hian thupuya pathian be seiro sam number somli pani changana ti mangin district PYD ka shwain na hnalo thok to te baka general PYD shwai tu te hena tengin thu soinga ithak thin ani dona kumdanga tingai lo angin kumin Aizol East District PYD in Khompuya hian Rural Velo te tan pandala wantlang in khom nei ani anga heta hian dai dong huna district PYD 10 missionary anroi evangelist HMS dongkim hne na tengin thu soi ngai thak tur ni in zaipol le mi mal zai ngai thak ani dona Bethel community hall a rural in khom nei ani thungang kumin hi in khom pui voi som ni pangana silver jubilee ani angin ro pui takalom tum ani a tuna hen district PYD baka in khom pui thleng tu tur champhai Bethel belte po na satakin anin bwa sai chhomek zel ani kumin in Khompuya hian Mizoram khopui chunga district Pathum North Mizoram Lunglei Chimtuipui district PYD shwai tu te baka district Pathum Zaipol baka general quartele general PYD shwai tu te somni in Aizol East district maya department shang te chu thu soi toy hun pek vek tura rahman na siam ani bok pandal hi kumdang zong ayalian le nala sakni in adung fit za som thum le awang fit somriat mishing sang ni vel leng thei tura rahman ani pandal hi tuna hian ngor taka sakme zel ani a arwang am zo to ni in a chei moi na tho chhole mek ani he in Khompui thleng tur hian champhai Bethel bel chunga kaushan chang te po na satakin anin bwa sai mek zela in Khompui palai atam thayang berkal turin organizing committee baka district PYD chuamin soma palai kal tur te chuma ni mamote kim taka keng tur le champhai hi khwa ala vo dewa wangin mutbulum thatak keng turin min ngen ani January ni som pasari atanga ni som hi chunga Imphal district PYD conference morea man meka som anni angin Aizol East District PYD Zaipol Pentecostal Choir baka District PYD President Reverend Arlton Kimale General PYD shwai tu te chuan January ni som paruk ni lai ni kha more panin rongbawlna an nei mek Imphal District PYD Conference hian District PYD President le General PYD Shwai tu te speaker ni in khoma piang in Pentecostal choir te hian zai rawngbawlna an nei bawk ani Pentecostal choir te hian kum sang ni som pariat chung khan hmun sang sanga rawngbawlna nein an lo fe chuak to a kumin sang ni som pakwa po hian General PYD hmingin mei tha hian Chennai hmuna Joshua Youth Camp nei tura kaltura ti an ni baka tuna hian District PYD in khompui February thla champhai Bethel Bialten an thlen tura theme song pathian be sero ti chu recording te ti zo to in music video siam turin rahman na an siam mek bok Aizawl East District Missions Department Executive Meeting in Laurel to angin bia shanga missionary support boy puin rahman na an siam ang chuan kumin kumtir hian bia shanga missionary support zong hian kal antum mek zela January ni som pakwa pathian ni mang hian heng huna ti hian support zongin rawngbawlna an nei le don ani North Vanlai Phai Biala Reverend Arlian Zama Director Sir Chief Biala Evangelist Leram Zava Secretary Sir Chief Din Thar Biala Evangelist Lalthuthunga Treasurer Bazar Biala Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent Kalin Bethlehem Veng Thanga Evangelist Arvan Chunga Full-time Evangelist Akal Thungang January ni som pathum pathian ni khan champhaya chung ko khat member paruk chu bial to Pastor Reverend VL Temtong chuan kaushana aseng luta khohai bial chunga tun nai khan mithar som kaushana aseng lut ni bukin bazar bial ramthar kaushana po Evangelist H Larin Fela Rongbawlna kaltlangin January ni som pathum pathian ni jang khan mi som thumin swangai damna baptisma changin anjinga hian mithar pathum an oma kaushana senglu ni in tharau thianghlim dong thar mi engemozat an ombok January ni som pathum pathian ni vek khan thrampui veng thara mithar pani kaushana senglu an ni a thrampui veng thara hian Evangelist H Malsom thanga chuan rawngbawlna anei mek zel ani Bethlehem Bial Bethlehem PYD te chuan an kum somngatlin Golden Jubilee an hmang mek Jubilee hi January ni sompali thotan zana tanga ni sompasari ninga zan thleng khan revival crusade mangin an mangtan to a January ni sompariat zirtop zana tang khan Jubilee lom na tak tak mangtanin hemizan hi thalai zan ti in Jubilee meide na Evangelist Kelian zama chuan nein upa Dr. Arlal Fakzwala hne tengin thu soi toy ngai thak ani baka item ji shang shang mangin inti hlim na nei chunjom ani January ni som pakwa inrin ni zan khan mi masa te zan hun man ani a heta hian member boral sunna Evangelist lel chhuan moya zote kai shwain nei ani baka Jubilee choir ten sunna hla ansa he huna hian he kaushana lo loi to shanghlui uparo dai lova zote baka female choir ten hne na tengin fakla ngai thak ani bok Jubilee lom na puiber chu January ni som he pathian ni hian mantura ro man ni in road big ten Jubilee dar wang na an nei dona Bel to Pastor Reverend Arlal Reman Jubilee lungphun honna aneyanga pathiani chuma in khoma Pastor Kelal Mingmoya East Lungdar Bel to Pastor chuan thucha soin chonua upa F Ramchul Lavan thusoina anei dona shwai tu hlui choi moinen nei turni in tlailama Jubilee lomna roi an ba sai don ani Aizawl East District shwai tu the program Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent Chuan Sir Chief Biak in Pui PYD 10 an kumsom ngatlin Golden Jubilee January ni som pathum pathian ni manga an mana atel pui nuwa tun pathian ni han District Missions Terin Bazar Bial District Headquarters Chinga vengle amt venga missionary support zongin rawngbawlna aneyang Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary le Reverend Vanel Filaramtiam District Treasurer te chuan Karma Sakhan General Missions Field Andaman and Nicobar Island huna biak in honna neya rawngbawlna an nei hnuwa damtakin January ni sompanga thole ni khan Aizawl an let January ni sompanga thole jan khan Aizawl East District PYD le North Mizoram District PYD OB te chuan Aizawl East District Officer Joint OB meeting an nei he hun hi Reverend Arlal Tankima Aizawl East District PYD President chuan kai shwain hun ser amanghal ani he huna hian kumsang ni sompoko chunga Aizawl City PYD coordination shwai tu turte rat tharna nein chumte chu Chairman Unaupa Kero Tuanga North Mizoram District PYD Secretary Vice Chairman Evangelist Silarem Rata Aizawl East District PYD Assistant Secretary Secretary Unaupa R. Vanlalpeka Aizol East District PYD Treasurer. Assistant Secretary Unaupa Kelal Biagnunga Aizol East District PYD Financial Secretary. Treasurer Evangelist Vanlalpeka Fan I North Mizoram District PYD Treasurer. Hengba ka hian kum sangni sompoko chunga city PYD malang turtele sangni sompoko city PYD budget te ansiam bok ani. Shiatirna Aizol East District Nware Revival Committee chuan kumsang ni sompoko atan District Revival Speaker tur alale dona deal du chuan henga hnuaya mi te hishiat tur ani ang deal na hi Chairman District Revival Committee addressing plain paper a zia tur ani deal na hi February ni sompakhat sang hi sompoko thleng District Office a thelu thei ani February ni sompani sang ni sompoko thole ni jingdar sompakhata District Superintendent Office Chamber interview tour ani. Speaker and team member pali anei theyang. Team mingle member list feltekin thelu tour ani a contact number po zialan tel ni se. Zugle muama film lautan dil thei ani lo. Interview tour kalna sen so mani intum tour ani. Deal to two license 18 ani tour ani. Ole khatizong khatun chumata North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak hole theite ani e